Hi students, in this video I will explain Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table. So what is the atomic number 101? What is the atomic number 101? It is the Mendeleev. It is the Mendeleev. So Mendeleev is the father of periodic table, and Mendeleev periodic table proposed in the year 1869. Mendeleev periodic table is proposed in the year of 1869, and in this time just you know about only 63 elements. You know about only 63 elements, and new ideas can change the world. Along with that, Mendeleev ideas can change the Mendeleev periodic table, and the Mendeleev periodic table is the different from the last periodic tables like a Dobonnier and a Newland. And Mendeleev just arrange the elements into increasing order of their atomic weight, and here also the Mendeleev classify the elements into atomic weight concept. Here also the Mendeleev arrange the elements into atomic weight concept. Atomic weight concept. And first time Mendeleev arranged the entire elements into like 8 groups and 7 periods. 8 groups and 7 periods, and he said that vertical columns are called as the groups and horizontal lines are called as the periods. And what is the achievements of Mendeleev periodic table? Now we will discuss one by one. What is the Mendeleev periodic law defined? And Mendeleev periodic law mainly depending upon atomic weight, and is revealed the one of the periodic law definition, that is physical and chemical properties of elements or the periodic functions of their atomic weight. That meaning the Mendeleev periodic table mainly depending upon the atomic weight concept. Atomic weight concept. And what is the physical properties? Physical properties is nothing but melting, boiling, that is the physical properties. And chemical properties meaning what is the physical properties? What is the physical properties? Like a melting point and the boiling point, those are the physical properties. Then what is the chemical properties? Chemical properties is nothing but when one of the element react chemically, then that is the chemical properties. Now Mendeleev just is arrange the elements depending upon the physical properties along with the chemical properties. For example, Mendeleev just is taking one of the element, that is the lithium. One of the element, that is the lithium. So when the lithium react with the oxygen, and it will form like a Li2O. Li2O. Why? Because the oxygen valence is the -2 and the lithium valence is the +1. So whenever the sodium react with the oxygen to form Na2O. Like whenever if the element react with the oxygen, it will form like that. All these elements just is keeping into one of the group. Just all those elements like a lithium, sodium, potassium and rubidium just is placing into the one of the group, that is the first group. And along with that, if the metal or element react with the oxygen, for example I am taking beryllium, react with the oxygen and form beryllium oxide. Along with that magnesium react with the oxygen to form magnesium oxide. And here already you know that the oxygen valence is the -2 and the beryllium valence is the +2. So similar valency containing element just is keeping into the second group. Okay, now we will discuss about the groups and subgroups. Once you can look at here, and here like the group number just is giving a 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups. So Mendeleev divide entire elements into like a 8 groups, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 periods. Okay, Mendeleev divide the entire elements into like 8 groups and 7 periods. And the similar properties containing elements is placed into the same group, and different properties containing element is placed into the period. And each group, once you can look at here, is divided into subgroups like A and B, and each group is divided into two parts like A and B. Next one is predicting the properties of some missing elements. And already we have discussed that at the Mendeleev time, just about only 63 elements, and is leave some gaps for the newly discovered element. Just he leave some gaps for the newly discovered element. Along with that, and is give approximate properties of that element also. For example, once you can look at here, just is leave some gaps of the element. In that gaps, just is keeping the names like a eka boron, eka aluminum, eka silicon, eka boron, eka aluminum, eka silicon. He named those elements by adding the prefix is the eka is the Sanskrit word, and eka means one. And just is believed that upcoming days definitely they may discover the elements in that gaps. And upcoming days, after so many of years after, the eka boron just the keeping as the name is the scandium, and eka aluminum they are keeping as the gallium, and eka silicon it is the germanium. Eka boron is the scandium, eka aluminum is the gallium, eka silicon is the germanium. It is the one of the achievement in the Mendeleev periodic table. Next one is correction of atomic weights, and next one is the correction of atomic weight. And Mendeleev is corrected the atomic weight of some elements. For example, beryllium. And in that time, before of the Mendeleev time, the people they are assuming that the beryllium atomic weight is the 13.5. Beryllium atomic weight is the 13.5. So the atomic weight is equal to nothing but equivalent weight into valency. Equivalent weight into valency. Atomic weight is equal to equivalent weight into valency. And in that time, just they find that equivalent weight of the beryllium is 4.5. Equivalent weight of the beryllium is the 4.5, and they assume that the valency of the beryllium is 3. So in that time, the atomic weight of the beryllium, they think that it is a 13.5. But whenever the Mendeleev is arranging an element into atomic weight concept, it will give into the wrong group. So in that time is corrected that atomic weight of the beryllium. Just in that time, atomic weight of the beryllium is the 4.5 into the valency of the beryllium is not a 3, it is the 2. In that time is giving the atomic weight like a 9. It is the one of the major correction of atomic weight. Not only by that, along with that, indium and gold and some of the elements atomic weight also corrected by the Mendeleev, and it is also one of the achievement. Next one is anomalous series of element. What is the anomalous series? Until that time, Mendeleev arranged the elements into atomic weight. Mendeleev arranged the elements into atomic weight concept. And here, just I am repeating. Here I am explaining two elements. That is the tellurium, and next one is the iodine. Tellurium and iodine. And here the tellurium atomic weight is the 127, and whereas the iodine atomic weight is the 126. Actually, according to atomic weight concept, the iodine is the first and the tellurium is the next. But just here he's done some research and he arranged the element tellurium and iodine. As for the modern periodic table, and tellurium atomic number is the 52 and iodine atomic number is the 53, and it is also one of the greatest achievement in the Mendeleev periodic table. So these are the major points what the Mendeleev discussed in this periodic table. Thank you, students. If you like my video, give me the like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.